Yeah. And oh!
Welcome back to Lightning Springs Ranch. Today we're going to gather up a herd of cows that's in the wrong pasture and take them to where they're supposed to be. And to keep things interesting, I'm taking this young horse that's maybe got about 15 rides on him. And he's feeling pretty fresh this morning. Also, for this video, we're going to have a second angle from another GoPro. It's my first time trying to edit two different perspectives, so we'll see how it goes.
We'll start heading towards Middle Mountain.
The cows that we're after are clear up at the top of this mountain, and it's a long, steep ride just to get up to them.
He does not like that camper very much. Sorry. If he's gonna buck, I'd rather him do it right here rather than in the sagebrush. He's gonna learn his lessons today.
He's already kind of huffing and puffing and can't really make it all the way up.
No.
It's super hard on the horses coming all the way up this mountain, so we have to stop quite a few times on the way up to give them a break. Now that we're up here, we're going to go gather this whole bench and bring everything that we found down to this pond.
Better not be any mean ones that don't like dogs, because I'm not on.
I must have jinxed us, because you'll see coming up, there were in fact a lot of mean ones. While we're out trotting around to get these cows, I'd like to take a second and tell you how you could win $500 in premium grass-fed, grass-finished beef. We're excited to announce the launch of our new website that will allow us to start selling grass-fed beef direct to you, the consumer. And to celebrate this launch, we are doing a giveaway of $500 for the highest grade beef. We're making it super easy to enter. Simply go to the link in the description and fill out your email address. Once that's done, you're automatically entered to win. We feel that there's a huge need for people to have a chance to build a relationship with a producer that they can trust. So if you have any questions about us or our operation, please feel free to reach out and ask. Thanks for listening to that little spill. Now let's get back to the video.
Hey. So there's cows down in those trees.
Let's just go straight to where that cow's headed.
Okay.
I must not have tightened the GoPro screw down all the way, because as we're trotting, the GoPro falls down and is only facing my hat. Which isn't a huge deal, except for when you miss stuff like this.
Yeah.
Are you okay, for real?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, you know, my horse just went down on me.
As we were going through a set of trees, this young horse took a step over a log and tripped. He tried to recover from it, was never able to get his leg underneath him, and we both went face first into the dirt.
It's never happened. I mean, it has happened. I just kind of kicked out, and he did lay on my leg a little bit, but yeah.
That's a good thing you didn't land on me all the way.
I know. I love Colts, dude. They're so much fun. Yes, now we're gonna take our time. Good job. Okay.
We got all the cows gathered here at the pond, so now we're going to start heading them off the mountain.
Oh! If he wasn't sick, I would, but let's bring it. Yeah. Get.
Sorry, I pulled it off his nose.
That's okay, no. Yeah.
We're going to push these cows down to the bottom of this mountain and up the other side. Just over this ridge is the right pasture that they're supposed to be.
Walk up. Cow. Hey, cow. Hey. 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 Right here. Walk up. Aha, they did come running down. Man, never seen such a bunch of ball baby cows. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, hey, hey, hey. I'm gonna send them. I know. Well, that one cow, dogs were barking at her, trying to turn her. And, oh, freak!
This cow had had enough of the dogs and turned around to go chase them. And for some reason, on her way back, she decided that the horse was an easier target.
Oh, freak, are you okay?
Yeah.
Hey, hey! Are you okay?
Yeah,
Oh
no,
my
she didn't
word.
get me. She went right under my leg.
That was after the dogs were even...
You okay, buddy?
Oh man, she needs to be gone. Hey, walk up, walk up. Hey, 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 hey. Ah, walk up, walk up.
It would be impossible to get some of these jobs done without tough cowboys and tougher horses. After a couple minutes of walking that Palomino around, he was doing just fine. He was good to ride again. With that little scuffle over with, it's time to turn the cows up and go straight up the other side.
Good boy. Hey, hey, hey. That's a big old freaking hole. Ah, 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 ah. Good boy. Hey. Ah. Ah.
Come on, Bull. Yo, mama.
Hey, hey, hey! Up, Luca, walk up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey! Hey!
One of these calves is looking pretty under the weather, so we're going to catch him and give him a shot before we send him on his way.
Oh, you get him? Sick. Yeah. Six?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does. Lay down. Okay, give it to me. Got it. Hey, cow. Hey, cow. Ah! Good boy. Good boy. I can't neck rein, but I'll try my best. Squaw rein.
We got those cows to where they're supposed to be, so you'd think we'd be done. But we're actually going to ride back down to the truck and then push the cows out of this canyon and up to where those other ones are.
Good job, old son. That did this horse so much good.
I'm pretty impressed with how this young horse did today. But we're going to give him a break, and I'm going to get on one of these older ones so my sister can meet us up at the top with the truck.
Luca, Ace! Ace, come! Hey! Hey!
We ran out of batteries on the one GoPro, so we're going to switch it over so we can get a video of my dad roping another calf that's sitting up here.
I think he's right back here in the very last calf.
Oh, he ran right through it. I didn't think I was that slow on the pull. You want to sneak up there and try to get him?
Go ahead, I'll back you up. Had something.
Had something on him. All right, now see if you can keep him from going through the gate.
Hey, and that.
Whoa, baby, come on back. Shadrach, pay attention here. I pretty much just reached out and put it on him. Give him 15, 17 maybe.
Okay, give it to me.
Good job.
That ended up being quite a project today, but now all the cows are on the right side of the mountain. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you want to win $500 of premium grass-fed beef, go enter the giveaway. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.